Hi, I'm Jessica Smith with Bland's Nursery in West Jordan, Utah, and today we're talking all about trees and shrubs. Right now we're going to discuss how to grow grapefruits. Well, grapefruits don't grow here as a tree outdoors because we freeze, but if you're lucky enough to live in a mild enough climate where they will grow, you'll treat it just like you would any other type of a tree. When you plant it, nice organic matter. They do tend to like it a little bit acidic, so a peat moss would be also a good one for you to use as your amendment. And then just make sure you water it in. Now, if you live in a cold climate, it is possible to bring it indoors throughout the winter time. But remember, this is a tree. It is going to get large, and it's going to need a large enough pot. Your pot, make sure that there's drainage holes at the bottom, otherwise it's going to rot out on you. And remember that moving it indoors and outdoors, if you take it outdoors throughout the summer, can be a chore. They do like a very sunny location, so it does need a room that either a sunroom is the best location for it, but not all of us have those. So you'll want it in a sunny location, make sure it gets enough light, even in front of the window. Make sure that you rotate it throughout the season so that it grows evenly and doesn't reach to one side or the other. And they like a good occasional fertilizer. Get a nice citrus fertilizer for it, one that's balanced in all of its nutrients, and that you can actually find that at your local nursery. Give it a nice fertilizer, maybe a little faster release one throughout the active season, which is late winter and into the early spring. The inactive season, it doesn't need it quite as much. You can go with the slow release. That's towards the end of the fall, early winter. Now, citrus trees have thorns on their branches, so you need to be a little careful with them. Just kind of forewarning you so you don't injure yourself. They're just a small little thorn on them. This is normal.